Welcome to 601 Northwest 181st. This is our Landon floor plan. Let's take a tour. Okay, so you'll see we have gutters on the front of the home. This is the landscaping. Some darker gutters to blend in with the blue roof. And then beautiful landscaping. Alright, we'll walk in. We have a super nice front door. It is insulated and super high quality. Okay, so we'll walk into the home, into the common areas of the living room and kitchen. Take a look here. So this room here could be used for an office or a dining room. And since we are a custom builder, we can make adjustments to the space as well. We can, move that wall down or, take that wall down and make it a larger living room space. Let's go into the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom in the front. And this is phase 2 of Chisholm Creek. Phase 3 is going over there. Let's look at the bathroom and closet. Closet is right here. And then bathroom. We use quartz countertops, tile floor, and tile surrounding the shower. And the shelf too. And then behind the door we have some storage as well. And then for second bedroom, there are 3 bedrooms in total. Let's look at the kitchen. We have the white cabinets, white backsplash, and then a little gray tile for the rest of the home. And then we have a raised island. Really nice, put some stools there, just hang out. Okay, let's take a look outside. We have this beautiful covered porch. So a couple of things about the exterior. We use 2x6 exterior walls for added insulation and safety when it comes to tornado season. And then we also use low E windows, which will filter out the UV rays that heat will get into the home. And then we also have an exterior air intake, so you're always getting fresh air in your home. So this is the backyard here. Site with a retaining wall in the back that goes down. We have some hardy board finishing here. It's actually cement siding. Very sturdy. Termites don't like it. It'll last a very long time, low maintenance, and you can paint it easily. Okay, let's check out the master. It's beautiful. Okay, so this master bed is spacious. Plenty of space for a king bed and 2 nightstands and a dresser. Okay, this bathroom is amazing. So double vanities, drawers, really unique light fixtures, and then we have our shower system. Really beautiful. Bench there, tile flooring, tile surround, the shelves. It's just super modern and will last you a long time. So we use a Schluter shower system. It's a completely waterproof shower system, and it makes sure that all the water goes into the drain. Because with tile, it's porous, so the water can get into that and then go into the foundation. And by the way, our foundation is post-tension, so it'll move with the ground. And won't crack. Then we have some storage here, and then water closet with the pocket door. and then custom closet. So with us, you get to design your closet however you'd like, with as many shelves and rods as you like. You get to choose. So pretty much everything you see in here is going to be a standard feature. So you're going to have the tile flooring, the wood look tile, and these custom cabinetry. You'd get to choose either 2 centimeter quartz or 3 centimeter granite. And like I said, we're a complete custom builder, so we can make any changes that need to be done to suit your family or your needs.